Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Fiat 500 radio. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool and a screwdriver. Next, we'll carefully prepare the area around the radio. Then, I'll walk you through the precise steps to detach the unit. Finally, I'll share some helpful advice to ensure everything goes smoothly and safely. Let's get started on this simple process together. Before we begin, let's make sure you have the right equipment. You'll definitely want a plastic trim removal tool. These are crucial for prying without scratching your dashboard. A standard Phillips head screwdriver will also be necessary for a few fasteners. Always place a soft cloth over your console to protect it from any accidental marks. Most importantly, confirm your car's ignition is completely off to avoid electrical issues. Proper preparation makes the job much easier. Now let's get to the actual removal. Start by using your plastic trim tool to carefully pry around the edges of the radio's surrounding trim panel. Once that's loose, gently remove it. You'll then see 4 screws, usually Phillips head, holding the radio in place. Unscrew these. With the screws out, you can carefully pull the radio unit forward. Finally, disconnect all the electrical plugs and the antenna cable from the back. Take your time with each step. When you're ready to reinstall, simply reverse the steps. First, reconnect all the electrical connectors and the antenna cable securely to the back of the radio. Make sure no wires are pinched as you gently slide the unit back into its slot. Before fully securing everything, it's a good idea to turn on your car and test the radio's functionality. Once confirmed, reattach the 4 screws and carefully snap the trim panel back into place, ensuring it aligns perfectly. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.